Welcome to Kautilya. Friends, in this class I am going to discuss about AP Geography, Andhra Pradesh Geography. According to the present syllabus of APPSC, we have AP Geography in Group 1, Group 2 and other exams conducted by APPSC. And as per the previous year's examination question papers, there were around 3 to 5 questions from AP Geography, 3 to 5 questions from AP Geography, and these questions or these syllabus of the AP Geography can be divided into 3 parts. Number 1, AP Physical Geography. Number 2, AP Economic Geography. Number 3, AP Human Geography. Andhra Pradesh Physical Geography, Andhra Pradesh Economic Geography and Andhra Pradesh Human Geography. So in these areas again we will get the questions about or the detailed topics of the syllabus can be like this. So if you take up AP Physical Geography, in AP Physical Geography the topics will be first the physiography of AP, the physiography of Andhra Pradesh. Number 2, river system of Andhra Pradesh. So the different types of the different rivers in Andhra Pradesh. Then climate of Andhra Pradesh, climate of AP. Then so in the climatic chapter or topic we will discuss about the distribution of temperature and rainfall. So based on this distribution of temperature and rainfall, later we will discuss about the vegetation or the forests, the natural vegetation or forests in AP, and important wildlife in Andhra Pradesh, important wildlife and wildlife resources. Then we will discuss about the different types of soils in Andhra Pradesh and their importance, different types of soils and their distribution and their importance. So these 5 topics can be considered as part of AP Physical Geography. Then we are coming to AP Economic Geography. We are coming to AP Economic Geography. Here we will discuss about agriculture in AP, the agricultural seasons and important crops grown in AP and the districts which are the leading producers of some of the food crops and the districts which are the leading producers of some cash crops like that. Then we will discuss about irrigation projects in AP, irrigation facilities and irrigation projects like medium, major and minor irrigation projects in Andhra Pradesh. Then later we will discuss about the distribution of mineral resources, the distribution of mineral resources in Andhra Pradesh and important mineral resources and their distribution. Then we will discuss about the industries, the important industries in Andhra Pradesh which are like primary sector industries, secondary sector industries which are located in different parts of AP. And later we will go to the next topic like the transport system in AP, the transport system like the important roadways or important national highways which are passing through AP and important ports in Andhra Pradesh. So because it is one of the coastal states in India, so important ports. Then the importance of railways in AP and importance of airports in AP, airports. So we will discuss about the roads, that is especially national highways, then seaports, then railway lines, railway zones, then airports. So with that the Indian AP Economic Geography will be over. Then finally we will come to AP Human Geography. AP Human Geography, or this AP Human Geography mainly discuss about AP Human Geography mainly discuss about the population details of AP, the population size of AP and some of the demographic attributes like the population density, then literacy rate, then sex ratio. So in the sex ratio, again adult sex ratio and child sex ratio, and the districts with highest sex ratio, districts with least sex ratio. Then later we will discuss about the social composition in AP, that means the distribution of scheduled castes and scheduled tribes and their demographic attributes like their sex ratio, their literacy rate. Then the religious composition of AP, important religions in Andhra Pradesh and their population size, and the important languages in Andhra Pradesh, So these are the basic details. We will discuss about AP, so as 3 parts. So now in this class I will give you a brief introduction about the AP physiography. So physiography of AP in AP physical geography, the first topic is AP physiography. So the physiography of AP deals with the different types of landforms, in Andhra Pradesh. Today, you know that this residuary Andhra Pradesh or the new Andhra Pradesh formed on 2nd June 2014. That means the undivided Andhra Pradesh or united Andhra Pradesh got divided officially on 2nd June 2014, and from which the Telangana state had been formed, newly formed Telangana state, and the residuary Andhra Pradesh is like this. So of these, the 10 districts of Telangana got separated, and the remaining part is our residuary Andhra Pradesh. Today, this residuary Andhra Pradesh has 13 districts. Residuary Andhra Pradesh has 13 districts, right from Srikakulam here, Vijayanagaram, Visakhapatnam, then East Godavari and West Godavari and Krishna, Guntur, Prakasham, Nellore. So, and the remaining regions like Kurnool, Anantapur and Chittoor and Kadapa. So, the present Andhra Pradesh consists of 10 districts. Of which 9 districts are coastal districts. So these 9 coastal districts are Srikakulam, Vijayanagaram, Visakhapatnam, then Srikakulam, Vijayanagaram, Visakhapatnam, then East Godavari, West Godavari, Krishna, Guntur, Prakasham and Nellore. So these are the 9 coastal districts, and apart from these there are 4 districts which are part of the Rayalaseema region. So these 4 districts are like Kurnool, Anantapur, Kadapa and Chittoor districts. So in that way there are 13 districts in present Andhra Pradesh. So of these 9 districts are coastal and remaining 4 districts are interior districts. So these are political divisions of Andhra Pradesh. But while coming to the physiography of Andhra Pradesh can be divided into certain physiographic divisions. After removing this Telangana region, the physiography of Andhra can be divided into coastal plains, or let me draw a new figure. So here the physiography of Andhra Pradesh can be divided into coastal plains. These are the coastal plains. Then plateau region, coastal plains, plateau region, and in between these coastal plains and plateau region, here there are some hills and ghats. So these are eastern ghats. So there are three important physiographic divisions in Andhra Pradesh. The three important physiographic divisions, that means the three physiographic divisions of Andhra Pradesh are like this. Number one is coastal plains, number two is plateau region, and number three is eastern ghats. First, coming to the coastal plains. So look at this picture. Here all these areas which are located to the east of Bay of Bengal. So this is Bay of Bengal region. So the areas which are lies nearer to the coast of the Bay of Bengal, all these regions are nothing but coastal plains of India. The coastal plains of Andhra Pradesh, sorry. So these coastal plains of Andhra Pradesh, are formed due to river depositional activity. So today we know that this Andhra Pradesh is having second longest coastline in entire India after Gujarat state. It is having second longest coastline of around 972 kilometers. So because of this long coastline, there are number of rivers which are entering into Bay of Bengal from the coastal Andhra region. So the number of rivers which are entering from interior Andhra into the Bay of Bengal. So these rivers, like right from the northern region. So here the river Vamshadhara, river Nagavali, then here river Machkand, then it is river Godavari. So river Godavari, then river Krishna. So these are all the rivers: river Krishna, Godavari, Machkand, Nagavali, Vamshadhara, and here river Penna, and river Swarnamukhi in Chittoor district. So because of all these rivers which are entering into Bay of Bengal from interior regions or from the neighboring states, so these rivers, they perform depositional activity along the coastal regions or at their river mouths. River mouths means where these rivers are entering into the Bay of Bengal. So this is Bay of Bengal region. So before these rivers enter into Bay of Bengal region, they perform lot of depositional activity and they led to form these coastal plains. Today, these coastal plains spreads for a length of around 900 kilometers, right from north to the south of the India, and this coastal plains contains important deltas. This coastal plains contains important deltas like Godavari Delta and Krishna Delta and Penna Delta. So within the coastal plain you have three important deltas like Godavari, Krishna and Penna Delta. And you know this Godavari Delta spreads in East Godavari and West Godavari districts, and this Krishna Delta region spreads in Krishna and Guntur districts regions, and Penna Delta region spreads in Nellore district. So these are the important deltas which are part of the coastal plains. Then another importance of the coastal plains is these coastal plains are highest fertile soils. So these are the highest fertile soils in entire Andhra Pradesh, and these are also called as alluvial soils. Because of the alluvial deposition, these are also called as alluvial soils. And these fertile soils, they are suitable for all types of food crops, and especially rice. That's why, historically Andhra Pradesh is called as Annapurna, and historically Andhra Pradesh is also said to be rice bowl of South India. Rice bowl of South India. So because of these vast alluvial tracts which are part of the Andhra coastal plains, which are good for rice cultivation, that's why historically Andhra Pradesh is known for rice cultivation. So today Andhra Pradesh is one of the leading producers of rice in India. Okay. Then along the coastal plains of Andhra Pradesh, here you can find out some of the important lakes. Along the coastal plains of Andhra Pradesh, there are two important lakes. Here, in between Godavari Delta and Krishna Delta, here there is a lake called Kolleru Lake. And below this Penna Delta, here there is Pulicat Lake. So these are the two lakes along the coastal plains of Andhra Pradesh. One is Kolleru, second one is Pulicat. Coming to the Kolleru Lake, so this Kolleru Lake is located between Godavari Delta and Krishna Delta. Deltas. And today this Kolleru Lake spreads in the regions of West Godavari and Krishna. It spreads in the regions of West Godavari and Krishna. And this Kolleru Lake is an important bird migratory, and Kolleru Lake is of course the largest freshwater lake in Andhra Pradesh. It is the largest freshwater lake in Andhra Pradesh, formed by the waters of Krishna and Godavari. And this Kolleru Lake is an important bird migratory center. That means birds from different countries of the world, they will come to this place. So it's an important bird migratory center. So it is ecologically important, and it is an important wetland. Recognized by Ramsar Convention. Ramsar Convention is a convention which is meant to recognize these wetlands, and it works for the conservation of wetlands. And these wetlands are ecologically important, ecologically sensitive areas. So that's why this Kolleru Lake is added in the list of wetlands according to Ramsar Convention. And Kolleru Lake is the largest freshwater lake in Andhra Pradesh, and it is an important bird migratory center. And the best example is the Siberian crane. The Siberian crane from Russia, they used to come to this particular place to this Kolleru Lake, right? So that is about Kolleru Lake. Then coming to the Pulicat Lake. This Pulicat Lake located beside of this Penna Delta in the borders of Nellore and Tamil Nadu, Nellore district. And this Pulicat Lake is a lagoon. That means it is formed by sea water. It is formed by sea water, or it is formed by the waters of Bay of Bengal. It is not a freshwater lake, it is a brackish water lake. So this Pulicat Lake is a lagoon, and beside of this Pulicat Lake, there is an island, and which is called Sriharikota Island beside of this Pulicat Lake. And this Sriharikota Island is known for the location of SDSC, Satish Dhawan Space Center. Satish Dhawan Space Center is located in this Sriharikota Island. So this Satish Dhawan Space Center, today it is an important, or of course the first rocket launching station of India. It is the most important, the first rocket launching station of India. So that is how beside of the Kolleru Lake there is Sriharikota Island, where there is SDSC, Satish Dhawan Space Center, and it is known for the rocket. It is known as the rocket launching station of India. So from where we are launching our satellites. Okay. So this is about the Kolleru Lake, the Pulicat Lake, located in Nellore district beside of the Penna Delta region. So now finally the coastal plains of Andhra Pradesh, can be divided into two parts. The northern parts, north coastal plains, are called as Sarkars. Up to Srikakulam, Visakhapatnam, up to these regions, these are called northern Sarkars, and the remaining part of the coastal plains, right from Krishna and up to the Nellore districts, these are called Andhra coastal plains. So these coastal plains of Andhra Pradesh can be divided into two parts. Northern Sarkars, which are located in Srikakulam, Vijayanagaram and Visakhapatnam, and remaining regions like Andhra coastal plains, which are located in Krishna, Guntur, Prakasham and Nellore, and along with Godavari districts, that is East Godavari and West Godavari districts. So this is another divisions of the coastal plains of India, right? The coastal plains of Andhra Pradesh. Then coming to the next physiographic division of coastal plains, the next physiographic division of Andhra Pradesh. So the next physiographic division of Andhra Pradesh is Plateau region. So look at this picture, or see here itself. In Andhra Pradesh map, this part where the present Rayalaseema region is located, this part. So this part can be considered as the Plateau region in Andhra Pradesh, Plateau, because here it is part of the Telangana Plateau, and which is part of the Deccan Plateau of India. So here some parts of this Rayalaseema region, today it is Anantapur district of Rayalaseema up to this part, and it is Kurnool district of Rayalaseema, and it is Kadapa, and of course here Chittoor district. So this Kurnool and Kadapa and Anantapur and Chittoor districts, these are 4 districts, but of these, this Kurnool and Anantapur districts are completely lies in Plateau region. So of these 4 districts, Kurnool and Anantapur districts are completely part of the Telangana Plateau. Whereas this Kadapa and Chittoor districts, partially located on Plateau region, Okay. So these Kurnool and Anantapur districts are part of the Telangana Plateau, whereas the Kadapa and Chittoor districts are partially located on Plateau region. So today this Plateau region of Andhra Pradesh belongs to the Deccan Plateau. It's a part of the Deccan Plateau, and this part of the Deccan Plateau, and it is composed of rocks like granite, gneiss, basalt, and amphibolite, etc. So this plateau is composed of these different types of rocks, and these rocks are composed of Kadapa rocks and Kurnool rocks. So Kadapa and Kurnool rock systems are there in this Plateau region. So that is how today because of these different types of rocks. Rocks are the aggregation of minerals. That's why the importance of this plateau is, the economic significance of this plateau is, it is the plateau which is known for mineral wealth. This plateau is known for mineral wealth. So important mineral resources later in the mineral chapter we'll discuss, but the best example important mineral resources like the iron ore mines. Iron ore mines in Obulapuram in Anantapur districts of Rayalaseema. Similarly the Vajrakarur in Anantapur district, which is known for diamond deposits, and the quartzite deposits, the quartzite rocks, which are located in Chittoor and Nellore districts, which are known for gold deposits. So in that way, this plateau region is an important region for mineral wealth, and we'll see these details detailedly in minerals topic later in economic geography. Right. So this is what the importance of the plateau region in Andhra Pradesh. Then finally we will come to the one more physiographic division of Andhra Pradesh, that is Eastern Ghats. So Eastern Ghats is also a physiographic division of Andhra Pradesh. Here these Eastern Ghats are located in between the coastal plains and plateau region. So these Eastern Ghats are located between these coastal plains and plateau region, right from Srikakulam and up to the Chittoor district, and given in Kadapa and Kurnool districts, like this. So these are the hills or the ghats which are located or which are sandwiched between these coastal plains and the plateau region. So these Eastern Ghats of Andhra Pradesh, the Eastern Ghats of Andhra Pradesh are part of the Eastern Ghats of India, which are part of the Eastern Ghats of India. And these rocks are composed of condolite and charnokites. So these ghats are made up of condolite and charnokites rock deposits, and these hills are broken hills. That means these are discontinuous hills. These hills are broken hills and discontinuous hills. And these charnokites and condolites rock deposits, which are known for uranium fuels or nuclear fuels. So these broken hills or discontinuous hills are located in different districts of Andhra Pradesh, right from Visakhapatnam and up to the Nellore and Chittoor districts, southernmost part. And here the average elevation of the Eastern Ghats, is up to 900 meters, the average elevation. But the highest peak of the Eastern Ghats of Andhra Pradesh, is located in, or highest peak of the Eastern Ghats is Mount Erma. Highest peak of the Eastern Ghats is Mount Erma, and this Mount Erma is located in Yarada Hills of Visakhapatnam. Mount Erma, which is located in Yarada Hills of Visakhapatnam. And today its height is around 1200 meters. Mount Erma, which is located in Yarada Hills of Visakhapatnam. Near Pader in Visakhapatnam, there are Yarada Hills where this Mount Erma is located. Then these Eastern Ghats of Andhra Pradesh has different names, or it can be divided into different parts, and these are called with the different names in different districts of Andhra Pradesh. So the divisions are mainly, number one, these are called as Yarada Hills, Simhachalam Hills, Yarada Hills and Simhachalam Hills, in Vishakhapatnam district. Vishakhapatnam district. Yarada Hills and Simhachalam Hills in Vishakhapatnam district. And these are called as Poppy Hills. Poppy Hills in East Godavari districts. Poppy Hills are Dhuma Hills. Poppy Hills and Dhuma Hills in East Godavari district and West Godavari district of Andhra Pradesh. And of course some Poppy Hills are located extend up to Khammam district of Telangana. Then these are called as Indrakiladri, then Kotappakonda, Indrakiladri, then Kondapalli, then Mogalrajpuram Hills, Kondapalli Hills and Indrakiladri in Krishna district. And these are called as Mangalagiri Hills. Mangalagiri Hills. Then Bellamkonda and Kotappakonda and Vinukonda in Guntur district. And these are called as Nallamala Hills, which are extending from Prakasham and Kurnool districts. They are extending from Prakasham and Kurnool districts and up to Mahabubnagar district of Telangana. And today it is the longest hill range in Andhra Pradesh, Nallamala Hills. So from Prakasham and Kurnool and up to Mahabubnagar district, the borders of Prakasham, Kurnool and Mahabubnagar district. Then these are called as Erramala Hills in Kadapa district. And these are called as Velikonda Hills in Nellore district. And these are called as Madakasiri and Penugonda. Madakasiri Hills and Penugonda Hills in Anantapur district. And these are called as Harsley Hills. And Sheshachalam Hills and Yenugu-Mallamma Hills. Harsley Hills, Sheshachalam Hills and Yenugu-Mallamma Hills in Chittoor district. So this is how these eastern Ghats of Andhra Pradesh has been divided into different parts and they are called with the different names in different districts. So these are important in the examination. Number of times they asked you in the examination. The eastern Ghats of Chittoor district are called as, or Sheshachalam is located, Sheshachalam Hills which are part of the eastern Ghats of Andhra Pradesh located in which of the following districts. So these type of questions were asked in the examination. Right. So this is how the three important physiographic divisions of India, like the physiographic divisions of Andhra Pradesh, like the coastal plains, then the plateau region and these eastern Ghats. Okay. So that is about the physiography of Andhra Pradesh. Right. So thank you.